I don't believe in technology for the sake of technology. I think that whatever we build needs to have a significant impact, and there's no better company than Komodo for this.
At Komodo, we just have this philosophy that best idea wins, and best ideas can come from anywhere in the organization. And when you have that spirit infused across the entirety of the Dragon base, and when you take this philosophy that best idea wins and it can come from anywhere, and you combine it with the very high expectations we have around never compromising on quality, never compromising on good enough, and really ensuring that we're always delivering the wow, I think that is really what drives Komodo's innovation engine.
I try to listen to a lot of people inside of Komodo, the ones who are in touch with customers, the MSI team, the field. I like to spend a lot of time with CIOs and like-minded individuals, and we talk about their problems, how we can scale, and then I define the journey to get there, the vision and the journey, and we start getting into deliverables, and it's one building block after another. I need to make sure that every time we build an application, every time we build a platform services or an API, we're going to think about performance. We're going to think about quality. We're going to think about how it's going to be used and consumed throughout the factory chain, all the way to the consumer and our customers. API first company, it means that APIs are not an afterthought. When you think about applications, connected experience through applications, you really need to make sure that all of those applications are based on some APIs, so you have interoperability between systems. And you need to treat APIs as first-class citizens. You need to think about APIs, you need to think about the contract between those APIs way before you start coding. So there's a lot of design before you jump into coding your APIs. So don't see factory as a kind of a repeating thing and boring. No, actually factory means strong, means predictable with the right performance and the right quality that any software SaaS company should aim for, and that's where we're going.
What's amazing about healthcare is that the same concepts that appeal in one part of healthcare exist in another. So for example, if I have to define a disease, that matters to a life sciences company, that matters to a payer, that matters to a provider. And so we can use technology to build foundational capabilities that can be scaled across the industry. And that gets us super excited. So we can develop concepts that are working across multiple market segments. And by doing that, we're able to create incredible efficiency and scale in the way that we build out the business. And so technology is the enabler of that. It allows us to identify areas that are high value for us to then pursue a technology backbone that enables those use cases that each of these different areas require and allows us to do that efficiently. And so, so much of that opportunity is where technology takes us to the future.
What I'm most proud of, at a personal level, is working with like really bright people in the healthcare industry. And then when I look at the achievement of the teams, is how they really started becoming champion of the platform and really changing the games and working with one another. So when I think about the team, I really need to have the good cultural fit. So sometimes you have a lot of people that are very good at what they do, but if they cannot work with one another, if they cannot take feedback, if they cannot act on it, that's going to be an issue for the team. So I really believe in teams. So culture is one. Second part is the expertise. So having jack of all trades, it's always great. But as we scale, as we need to get sometimes better in like how do I improve my data processing performance. So you need a real level of expertise, especially as you go to level 4, level 5, level 6 type of people. So expertise is another one that I'm looking for. And then the last but not least, the domain expertise in healthcare. I know that when I joined Komodo, I didn't know much about healthcare. And the team has been great in constantly educating me on our business. I believe that you can't give your best at a company if you don't enjoy what you're doing, what you're working for, and the people you're working with. So for me, that's the key one, enjoying the ride.